How to add a new page to a Wix website easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a new page to your Wix website. So let's get into it. First of all, you're gonna open up your wix.com and you will get right here. You have to sign in to your account. After that, you're gonna select the website you want to edit. I have selected this one. Once you get to the dashboard, you're going to click on edit site and it will open up your site editor. Now you are here. In order to add a new page, you're going to navigate to the second option given at this side of the screen, which is menu and pages. Click on it and then it will allow you to add a new page. You can see we have add a page option right here at the top, and we also have an option right here at the bottom. Click on add page and then we can select what kind of page we want to add to our Wix website. If you want to add a blank page, then you can go for this one, or we have some templates available for about pages, services, projects, contact pages, general, error page, landing page, store, and more. So let's say I want to create an about page. So I'm going to go to about and it will show me some templates. You can see the templates right here. I'm going to select the one I like. I think I'm going to go with this one. You can get a preview of your page or just click on add page and the page will be added to your website. Once the page is added, now we can customize it completely. You can see this is our brand new page that we got. And now I can customize it completely. This is where our page has been added. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.